Welcome. If you want to enter autocorrection options in your Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now scroll down and click on the general management, then go for the language and input. Right now we have to go for the on-screen keyboard, then choose the keyboard that you are using. In my case this is the Samsung keyboard. Right now we have to enter smart typing. And here, for example, we can turn off the autocorrection, and this option is called the predictive text. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.